Hey, hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this Python beginner tutorial series, today let's discuss about Python tuples. Okay, this is part 3 of the Python tuples video. In part 1 and part 2, we have covered about how to create tuples, how to access tuples, and how to add, remove or update tuple items, and how to unpack tuples. So continuing on with that series, today let's discuss about all these topics that I've listed down here. Okay, I put a disclaimer even before starting. The first four topics like indexing, slicing, copy sort, common tuple methods, I'm not going to cover in this video because this is almost very similar to the list operation. So I if you're following my channel, you can see I have covered in detail about all these operations for lists. So I will put all those links in the description. You can refer those in case if you are not sure about this. You can try it as an homework and see if you have any queries, you can let me know. I will help you out. Okay, so one thing I will cover in this part in this video in detail is how to join tuples. Okay, so this joining tuple is very this is again very similar to how it works in lists, but in tuples this is little different, and there are multiple ways and how you can join tuples. Okay, let's discuss those in this video. All right, so to start with, first we will see how we can join tuples using a plus operator. So this is very simple. So consider you have two tuples. I have listed down two tuples here for examples. So tuple 1 has list of few countries, tuple 2 has list of few other countries. Now if I have to combine these two, yeah, all I need to do is use plus operator, combine these two. Tuple 1 plus tuple current, tuple 1 plus tuple 2. Now you can see it combined these two tuples and returned a new tuple. Or else what you can do is you can just store it in a different tuple also, like for example like tuple 3 equal to tuple 1 plus tuple 2, right? And then you can print tuple 3. All right, it will return again return the same answer. Okay, so here it is. This is how you can join two tuples using two or multiple tuples using plus operator. Okay, so all you need to do is just put a plus symbol in between your tuples. Okay, so this is the first way in how you can join tuples. Second way is, you can see we can use zip and tuple method. Okay, this is again very interesting and very useful in many ways. Okay, so this does not blindly combine both the tuples. Okay, but it will join tuples in a unique way, like it will take the index values and combine accordingly. For example, here India and France will get joined, USA, Germany, UK and Turkey will get concatenated. All right, so let me show you how that works. Again, print, I'm going to use inbuilt tuple method following with zip method. Inside that, I'm going to pass these two tuples, tuple 1 comma tuple 2. Now if I run this, you can see it concatenated and returned tuples in a unique way. As I said, like it combined all the values based on index. All right, so India concatenated with France, USA with Germany, UK with Turkey. One interesting thing to note here is, in case if one of the items in any of the tuples is exceeding, for example, say here we have different countries, say Sri Lanka. I have another, I'm trying to add another country here. How does tuple and zip operations work in this situation is, it will ignore that particular country. Okay, see, it is not printing here. It will ignore it. Whereas if you only if there is a matching index values found, it will concatenate with that. Say if I'm including Pakistan. Now you can see Sri Lanka and Pakistan got concatenated. Okay, so this is one of the very handy or useful operations at times. So I think it is utmost necessary for you to understand how tuple method and zip works in tuples in case if you are put in a situation where you have to join tuples. All right. So this is another way of how you can join tuples. And finally, there is an interesting operation called multiply tuples. All you need to do is just use an asterisk symbol and multiply it how many ever times you want. Right, so let me try to print. I'll show you here. Similarly, we'll take the same example where we have tuple 1. We'll take tuple 2 for now, like we'll remove it. So for example, I have this particular tuple. In case if I have to multiply this tuple, like if I have to return these values multiple times, all I need to do is print tuple 1 into 2. For example, if I have to return it 2 times, all I need to do is just use star into 2. Now you can see it is repeated twice, but it returns a single tuple only. You can note that. Okay, it will return a single tuple only. In case if I want thrice, you can use into 3. Okay, so this is another way how you can um, join tuples. Okay, so this operation is called multiply multiply tuples. Okay, so these are very unique ways. I think in real time this kind of requirement might be very less, but in case if you face this kind of situation, you can use these operations. All right. So yeah, I think that's all what I want to cover as part of this video, guys. So please try this out. In case if you have any queries regarding all these topics, please post it into the comment section. I will try to help you as soon as possible. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.